Kawasan Falls are famous for of course, many falls. You can see like a small size, middle size, high, like from the top, the many like some kinds of falls. It is beautiful and nature is amazing, and the water it's super blue. I thought it's like artificial, but it was a natural blue, unbelievable. So you better go to Kawasan Falls. But one thing, you have to be careful, or I had the worst experience ever. I jumped from the waterfall, the top, but I didn't know how to jump. First time, it was my first experience to jump from the top, like 12 meters, height. And supposedly you have to land to the water on your feet first, but I landed on my butt fast. Oh, super painful. Incredibly painful. I jumped, the not feet first, my butt first, and everybody laugh at me, but I can't even smile. I can't laugh, Oh my god, like maybe my butt become like 4 or 8, It was one of the worst experience, and the next few days, very hard to go to the toilet. So if you wanna go to Kawasan Fall or any fall and jump from the top, you have to land on your feet first. That's my learning this time.